Let's talk about star systems. First, we have the unary star systems. The stars in unary star systems make up 65% of stars, but this goes down to 20% of stars for bright blue stars and up to 80% for dull red dwarfs. How are stars formed? Cold massive clouds of gas like those in spiral arms and Bok globules are pressurized by orbital dynamics and external disturbance respectively and collapse under their own gravity, forming protostars, usually multiple, which are then separated by their differing velocity. They then initiate fusion and form into stars. The next most common type of star system are binary systems, which have two stars, unlike unary systems, which have one. There are two types of binary systems, P-type binaries and S-type binaries. P-type binaries are the rare type where the planet orbits two very close together stars. They make up about 10% of binary systems, or about 3% of all stars. When calculating the locations of planets later on, the two stars can be counted as one. However, if the stars are too close, about 20 million kilometers, they can fill their Roche lobes and pull on each other's gas. Counting for eccentricity, the minimum distance between the center of mass and any planets is the following equation. S-type binaries are the more common type, where the planet orbits one of two stars far away from each other. These, like the previous type, form from the breaking up of the gas disk. When calculating locations of planets later on, the second star can be ignored. Accounting for eccentricity, the maximum distance between the center of mass and any planets can be defined by the following equation. Primary systems compose about 4% of stars, while systems with more stars about 1%. They're usually composed of many subsystems orbiting one another, but in rare cases they cannot be divided and are rather chaotic. Finally, the rarest type of star systems are clusters. Open clusters are younger, smaller, and more loosely bound than globular clusters, but both contain only a thousandth of the galaxy's stars, but are still found in quantities in the thousands. I'm choosing a unary star system because it is the most common type of star system, and I want to be safe. Credit goes to Burmex 8888 for the animation. Thank you and goodbye.